Hey guys, back with another video. I recently lost my J1772 adapter. I had to order this new one from Tesla. It was 50 bucks, so I'm not happy about it, but I had this thing plugged in to the charger at a grocery store, and when I pulled it out, I didn't realize it was still there. I typically throw it in the floor bed of my Tesla, underneath here where all the random stuff is, and so I didn't realize it till I got to another charging station and was pretty low on charge. So I had to order the new one. So I thought what I'd do is I would also order this. It's a J1772 adapter door dock. I'll show you what it looks like inside the package. It's very simple. It's just flush in the box. Just pop this right out of here. And this is what it looks like. It's made to fit right into the driver's side or passenger side compartment. I'll show you where that looks like. Your charge port just kind of fits in like that. So my thought is that if I have this next to me at all times, I'll notice that it's missing and I won't have this problem again. So let's just put it in the car and see what it looks like. So it's designed to go right here in this corner pocket. I'm gonna go ahead and try and fit it in there and just see what it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and wedge that in there. So I've got it, so you can kind of see what I initially thought was you just kind of push it down here like this, but then every time you take it in and out, it kind of moves the piece as well. So I'm going to push this way back here, kind of wedge it in there pretty good, and it does fit nice and snug. You can see that, and now it won't move. So let's put the part in there, and now if I pull this, I can pull it in and out pretty easily. It looks like the door closed. Okay, so there you can see it down there, and if you go to grab it, it'll come right out. Pretty cool. It's a good spot for it. And you could put it in the other side as well, although it would be hard to grab it every time. So that's pretty good. I like that.